How to electro etch your tools. So today we're going to do a ball peen hammer. We're using a 12-volt AC adapter, a 20-watt halogen bulb, a diode, a thermal stencil, Elmer's restick, graphite handpiece. The Elmer's restick to hold the stencil in place. And you could tape it down and use some other things too. Using salt water with vinegar as the electrolyte. The handpiece is a chunk of graphite. A little felt pad from the craft store. Turn on the power. You'll see the bubbles as it starts to etch. The process takes a couple, 3 minutes. The felt pad is actually picking up oxides while it's etching, so it's going to get pretty thick and gummed up. You notice the light goes on as the electricity is being passed through the stencil into the hammer. That light acts as a resistor to keep us from blowing out our power supply. And with a 20-watt bulb, it's about 1.6 amps. Starts out really black, but once you wipe it down, it clears up, and when you're finished, if you polished it, it would come out to be silver colored. But it's kind of a matte finish. Nice contrast for the Punisher logo or artwork. You can get my book on Amazon. It has all the details, including how to make these special stencils. If you have any questions, you can ask them in the comments below, and also go to electroetchdiy.com for a lot more information.